So as you can see here, I joined the two yarns together. Okay, so I already wind them up, so it will not be difficult for me this time. Okay, so first let's chain 33. Now this is gonna be the width of your bag. Okay, if you want it to be deeper, you can always add more, but for this tutorial I'm just going to chain 33. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Monica. So I make crochet projects, bags, accessories, and tops. So if you'd like to see more, please subscribe and stick around. So after you're done with 33 chains, now you're going to skip one, and then we're going to make 1/2 double crochet onto the next up until to the last chain. Don't forget to put your stitch markers, because since we're working with the fleece yarn, it's kind of fuzzy and we're not going to see where it starts and where it ends, so it is important to use the stitch markers. And when you've reached the last part, you're going to repeat this process until you have 15 rows. So just turn your work and make 1/2 double crochet into the first stitch. So this is what it looks like now. Then you're going to cut and fasten off the working yarn when you have 15 rows. Okay, so this is kind of fuzzy and it's not, the pink yarn is not really that visible, but it still have some accents. So the next part is we're going to pick a good side and we're going to fold it. Then using the stitch markers, you're going to interconnect the two panels, so you'll know what sides where you're going to connect it with. First, you're going to insert your stitch markers in the top, and same on the next side. Then you're going to make one single crochet on the edges of the bag. Okay, so you're going to start at the bottom. So insert your hook into the bottom, then yarn over the yarn, slightly pull, then you're going to make one single crochet on this. Okay, you just have to make sure that you are inserting your hook into the two sides. Okay, and when you reach the last chain, you're going to get your metal ring. First, remove the stitch marker so it will not go along our way. And then we're going to attach this metal ring into this side of the bag. I think my video was cut out in here, but you're just going to attach the metal ring into this using single crochet. Okay, so and after that, if you're done attaching it, you're going to fasten off after hiding the excess yarns. Okay, make sure to do this in the inside part of the bag so the excess will not be visible on the outside. Then if you're done doing this, attaching the metal ring, you're going to repeat the process on the other side also. Okay, so turn your work inside out, then fluff it a little bit. So for the next part, we're going to make the clasp. So get your metal clasp and we're going to attach yarn into it. So insert your hook and make 4 single crochet into the clasp. Slightly pull, then you're going to make 3 single crochet until you've reached the last chain. So for this, you're going to repeat the process until you have 35 rows. So when you've reached the 35th row, you're going to attach the last clasp. Then just make 4 double single crochet rather. Then fasten off and cut off the excess yarns. You're going to hide the excess yarns in between these straps before cutting. Going to repeat the process on the ends also. Hey, if you're still here, I would really like for you to comment just a heart. So I know you're still here, and I would like to thank you for this. A little appreciation goes a long way. So yeah, thank you for still being here and watching my video. Okay, so let's attach the clasp into the bag. Yeah, so we're near done, and I'm just gonna attach one thing. Okay, so I forgot to show it to the first part, but I am attaching a magnetic clasp because when I'm doing this video, I can't find where I put my magnetic clasp, and I just found it like later on the day. So just attach it into the part where you want it to be closed off, and I'm using a plies for this since the clasp is kind of hard. Make sure to attach the magnetic clasp securely, okay? Now, so this is what it looks like now. And finally, yep, we're done. So as you can see, it looks aesthetic, it's cute, it's Pinterest worthy kind of picture. So yeah, if you're still here and wanted to make this kind of bag, you can do it in just one afternoon. Okay, so if you did, please comment down below if you finish it, and I really want to see how it looks like. Okay, so thank you for being here, thank you for watching my art tutorial, because I call this art. This is not just a crochet video, because I love doing this, I love making art. So see you in my next one. Okay, bye bye.